Everybody, thank you for spending some time with us tonight. Halloween this year was unlike any other. Many people had a relaxing holiday and followed recommendations to stay at home. But there were several large parties that officials worry could lead to a spike in cases in the coming weeks. Nikki Schenfeld explains in our top story.
Waikiki and Front Street in Lahaina weren't as busy as years past, and for the most part, people wore a mask. But there was a large party on the North Shore and several boat gatherings that has some people concerned. Honolulu police and the group Hawaii Quarantine Kapu Breakers kept busy on Halloween.
COVID party.
But there were quite a few parties last night. Some of them we shut down before they even started. There's some in neighborhoods up on the North Shore that we heard of. Waikiki was busier than we thought. It was quite busy.
Keene says her group worked with HPD to help break up large events. She said a video of a North Shore block party was a concern as no one was seen wearing a mask.
That's how we do it. It's great that they were having fun. We just hope that there were no one there had COVID and that, we don't see some spikes in the future.
Other residents took to the sea to celebrate.
We had a lot of reports of people on boats. That's one way for them to get away with it. No social distancing, costumes, no social distancing, and gathering. Quite surprising.
She says there was a big party on Big Island as well.
They told some of our members that they felt that they were being safe because it was outdoors. But when you're constantly promoting these parties and gatherings, that does a disservice because it means that down the road we're going to have to shut down again. And we really don't want that.
For the first time in years, Front Street in Lahaina was open to traffic on Halloween. Many say the celebrations were under control.
This is our 5th Halloween at Down the Hatch. And honestly, it was like the most stressful one at the beginning, because we didn't know what to expect. But as soon as we hit capacity, it was so minor.
He says it helped not having people being able to walk around or dance. Lieutenant Governor Josh Green says he was pleased with how the night went, but says we could see a slight uptick in cases in the next 2 weeks.
There were house parties, we've heard, but house parties as small gatherings is one heck of a lot better than huge gatherings. So hopefully we won't have too much community spread. I think it should be okay. We should not see a surge, in other words, from Halloween based on what I saw last night.
Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.